Yo, what is ugh, ow, terrible start to my video. So what is up today? Fudge cake. Ow, that hurt. So I made Savage, sort of, from Matt's Animations. So today, what are we gonna be doing today? We are going to. I legit forgot what we were gonna do today. Let's go to Bloxburg. It's updated a week ago, so. So I'm currently Venom right now. I am going to hop into this and then maybe drive around and freak some people out. I don't know. This house that I will actually was actually made. I paid someone in this game. Well, I didn't pay them. They volunteered. I asked if they wanted money, and they didn't. So. But yeah, they made me this house. Let's go to this house. Let's do some trolling first. I don't know what that I can't Ella's house. I don't think I said that right, but whatever. I'm gonna say hello, bye. Okay, that did not that was that does not go as well. She's like, I just say more ha ha ha. She's like, no, I'm done. That's that. You see her just typed in the chat. Weird. She's like, this guy's my neighbor. Wow. I got inspired by, or I made the anti-venom thing, which you probably saw at the beginning of the video. And this venom thing from got inspired from Dylan, the Dylan dude from Hyperplays. Not Dylan dude, he's the guy who does Hyperplays. But yeah, he's the one who inspired me. I spent so much Robux. So making this outfit and the other one. I bought some other stuff, but I just got Robux and now I want to buy something that's 500 Robux, but I can't because then I'll be at 300 and then I just be like, that was a waste. So I don't know. Anyway, let's try one more house in this game, and then we'll go to no. Yeah, and then we'll go to another game if I can make it up this hill. Wait, I'm gonna actually check something real quick. BRB. I'm just pausing the recording, so I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. So I tried to, I was trying to click record, and then I went back to right before I clicked the unpause button. I went back to Bloxburg page, and I got kicked out because my game lagged. I've been getting some really bad lagging. So this game's Ragdoll. It was stolen. It's not the exact one. So basically, this is like the center of online dating, right? So, and I did not meet. What do you mean I met the creator? He never joined. He never. I played this yesterday and I was trolling people. Because I bought the push game pass. So I'm gonna go running around pushing people. I don't know, this might not be a good idea. I don't know. If this is a bit weird, I'm gonna leave and go to another game. Is there music in this game? I cannot remember. No, there's not. There's not. Let me just turn off the chat. Hello there, buddy. Yay! That did like absolutely nothing. Just gonna yoink myself down here real quick. I don't want to invite a friend. Go away. Boop. I got double in one. Okay, let's get this person, bro. Haha, ha 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 ha. See, this is so fun. I need friends. 13 to 5. Oh, that's ageism. You're being That's not even a word, but you're being ageism. Everyone hates me right now, bro. Just gotta push you, push you, push you. Ew, Arfro, ew, Arfro. Ha 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 ha. It's like, I hate Arfro characters. Why the heck are you hiding from everyone? You know what? You're not sign up and you're not saying get pushed, lady. Get pushed. Okay, ooh, 2 people right here. Bro, there's people like talking about no time, or I can't even speak today. Here, let's look at this noob up here. Let's do this. Get over here. Get over here. Okay, well, she went in there. I'm not gonna go in there. I'm doing a vid. Alright. Bro, it literally just like took my church chat Bible. Doing a troll video right now. He's my friend. So. Okay, there. So I did some role plays with him. So that was nice. He's a pretty good, cool guy. Now I'm sorry to him if he sees this video, but if he's over here and I push him down, yoink, 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 get that, haha, 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 haha. Ooh, we gotta get over there. We gotta get over there. I need to troll the people up there. If I get blown up, no! Oh, I am so angry right now. I am so angry. Bro, they literally went up. Are you joking right now? I should have not done that, maybe. Come back! Haha. He deked me. Haha. Just troll everyone up there. I'm just gonna respawn it. Bro, it's not working. Maybe we gotta go to a different game. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna hit a Fortnite dance right now. Because I can, and I'm bored. Floss. I just bought the floss for some reason. And, I spent so much Robux on this and I have no idea why. Boop. That sucks. He just fell on his face. For, like, no reason at all. Okay, I'm gonna push this dude. Tag. Boop. Boop. I need admin and some get. Oh, you wanna go? Bro, my head's stuck. Are you? Bro, what? Let's do this. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Get back here. Get back. Bro, I can't even. Haha, you tripped on air. You tripped on air. You fool. Haha, haha. Get. Okay, that time we both got each other. But, here you go. Boop. Bro, what? She, like, dove under me and knocked me out. And that guy got me from behind. It's like she said, bro, why can I not get up? Guy. Oh my god. Okay, some really tall person over there. Here, let's just go for the Arfrog dude too. There we go. Bro, what? Stop that. Stop that. That's weird. Stop it. Cause this guy, I'm gonna spare you. Nah, it's not working. Let me knock you down. There we go. Bro, where'd he go? He just went under the map. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, I've messed with you so many times before. No one's online dating right now because I'm knocking them up. Down. Jesus. Bro, how is it so late? Oh Jesus. Oh, Lord. Still have a little cold, but I'm getting better, so. Just trolling everyone right now. Let's get this person all by themselves. Get over here, buddy. That's not bro, he's like, what? Minecraft Steve, what? Girl in the bikini, go away. Go away. Go away. She has the push power. I took her out. Now I have I made enemies. Here, I'm about to make some more. I got her. Why am I laughing like that? I'm kind of annoying right now. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Here, let's get this dude right here. Oh, never mind. Bro, she barely made it. I just grabbed her foot and threw her on the ground. Get over here. DJ Jelly. There we go. Blech. I missed. Okay, let's get this dude. I think that's a dude. I don't know. I didn't get to see the avatar. Ooh, there's one over here. Bro, okay, that just sucks. You get stuck in the ground. Get over here, buddy. There we go. Wait, there's a big group by the spawn. And I can get them. Boop. Ah, crap, I missed. Boop. 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 People keep saying you want to join my group chat. I joined one time when I was in this group. The group that I joined though was pretty chill. I still talk to them. I just joined like yesterday and they're pretty nice. So, bro, stupid Arfro, die. I hate Arfro. Okay, somebody needs to tell Relax no one likes it. Like Creekcraft did that already. But yeah, that's the only one that would probably be upset about Arfro. Like they think we want to go on Arfro, but we don't. So, let's troll like 2 more people. Sorry, I was speeding. Haha. Bro, they're just ignoring the fact. Oh, I can get this dude. I can get this guy. I can get him! Haha. Haha, get back here. I sucked him! Why is my voice so squeaky? Jesus. I just took out that guy and the other guy at the exact same time. That is absurd. I took out both of those dudes. I didn't even touch them. And they got, and they got knocked over. You got cat? Are you a... Oh, penguin, I'm so sorry. I love penguins. So I think I knocked over this dude like a million times. Oh, wait, no, it was this guy. I'm so sorry. If this guy sees my channel, you'll probably hate me until the end of time. Girl, what are you doing? I'm not looking over there. There's a spell, dude. I am not turning my camera around. I think everyone's starting to get mad at me. Bro! Oh, I just landed directly on my face. Let's get this girl over here. Okay. Boop. Ah, shoot. I was in full speed. Let's get these 2 girls. Or one at least. Okay, let's go over here, because I'm not having the chat opening, because there's probably some angry people, and people just doing overall weird stuff. So, bro, fall over! Fall over!